Honestly, I wish I could just yap into your ear. But right now, I'm feeling awkward pa. Nobody is good at the first day of the job, right? I'm just doing my skincare first. I don't know what to say in front of the camera. It feels intimidating as compared to when I'm just talking in front of my laptop. Kaya nga full storage ako sa laptop kasi doon ako nagbe-breakdown. Doon ako nag-rant. What have I been up to lately? Feeling naman, ang feeling na parang matagal na nag-vlog. Tapos curious kayo bakit ako nawala. These days, I'm trying to rewire my brain. So that includes like not touching my phone first thing in the morning. I also have to set all my gadgets to dark mode. I'm not allowed to consume media on social media except for YouTube and Netflix, which I also barely use. The only thing I'm using YouTube for is to watch my Animal Crossing. Grabe, medyo pabebe effect yung ganyan. When I get ready in that mirror, I'm like... Going back, with social media, I do feel like so many things are asking for my attention. Without it, I am able to focus on what matters most, and my attention span has really improved. I also can't listen to music. The only thing that doesn't overstimulate me is Animal Crossing videos. By the time I'm editing this, editing would be very minimal to reflect more of my personality. I was supposed to wear a turtleneck top, pero feel ko like ulo lang ni Tinkerbell yung kasya doon. These accessories are the only ones I'm using most of the time. It's so broken because I use it every day. Northern Star necklace. Let's pack my bag. Inside my bag, I have... Wait. What else? I'm just gonna turn off the camera and show you later. Wait lang, baka i-critic nyo ako na hindi ako marunong maglagay ng perfume. So we are going to get brunch. As in, makaagi, yun ka 3 times a week. 3 times a week, ipig a burger, diri. So this is my view. Yesterday, I was supposed to start my vlog. Wait, naglalag yung utak ko. Although I got to study yesterday, my scores were not giving. Oh, there's a bird. Hello, bird. Okay, I think this view is better. Hindi na ako super nahihiya. And if para sa'yo talaga yan. However, minsan gusto kong ipilit na, Lord, sa akin na to. Hello?
Brother?
Hindi.
Ako, my name's Ash.
Gosh, my cute dog there. Oh my gosh, cute siya. Wait.
Wala.
Look at cute.
Hi!
The breeze is so nice. Dali, may silbi na yung binili ko na parang dapat kasama na sa skincare ko yung usok dito. Oh my gosh! Flowers are so pretty. What am I even saying? But, bro, what was that mosquito? Dapat maganyan-ganyan din ako. 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles. Short ad lang. Ad ba? I would like to thank my parents for scratching this itch of mine. And kaartihan of mine na mag-vlog-vlog, no? Pwede din naman na phone. But my phone really intimidates me. And as in, ang bigat niya. Like this camera, it's so compact. Okay, I'm just trying to justify this purchase. 50k steps in. Joke lang, gawa-gawa ko lang yun. I hate this part where I have to cross the street in this area. Feel ko dito na uubos yung 9 lives ko. Parang nade-death scare ako every time I cross the street. It's all about confidence. Tagal ng jeep. Oh my gosh, ang tagal ng jeep. Okay, I think I see one coming. Finally, aircon. Feel ko mamamatay na ako sa gutom. Genuinely do not know where my phone is. Kasi ang tagal. Oh my gosh, wala nang mga inasal dito. Kapoy. My hands are shaking. Basta I told my mom that I have already edited like some clips, but I'm not showing it to her yet because maybe she'll think na dito ba napupunta yung pera ko? And anong sabi mo, ma? Buti alam mo! Buti alam mo! I actually have no plans in going with my mom. Mom! Okay, wag na tayong magpanggap ha. OA ng mom. With my mother to SNR. Pero eto lang naman yung only gala ko. Most of the time, I'm at home or at a cafe. So deserve ko naman mag-grocery. Mag-grocery kahit wala naman akong binibili sa SNR. Like, I'm not the type to try processed foods naman na mga kung ano-ano. Guys, dapat picture ng aso ko yung nasa poster doon. Look at his smile! Glow! My role is taga-push na part. Alam niyo ba before, parang fantasy ko lang, mag-grocery run, tapos mag-vlog-vlog. Nakadlaw na lang si mama sa ako. Sabi niya, naging Englishera daw ako, starting ng vlog. Te, ang hirap kaya mag-add ng subtitles. K-drama yan. Okay, let's try. Naka-sale sila. I'm like struggling right now. And ang layo niya. She's at the diabetes section. Student ako, afford ko pa mag-Chobani. Wala na pala sila ng Chobani flip. I'm just trying not to buy this YC. YC ba yun? YC na bulldog. Try ko siya, pero hindi ko rin naubos. But it's really good. Oh. As you can see sa cart namin, pili ka na lang talaga kung diabetes or CKD. Like every parent's dream right now. Kasi wala akong nilagay sa cart. Hindi ma'am, wala na free tasting. Oh. Yan na yung gusto niyang chips. Wait. Park muna natin. Park. Life without my phone. I'm not the type of person na palaging nag-eye contact sa ibang tao. I'm not a people watcher. I keep on meeting a lot of eyes. Girl, where is she at? Okay. Birthday, Maki! Happy birthday, Maki! Yay!
Happy birthday, Maki! Your cake!
How old are you?
3 years old.
It's currently 12:34. Kakaligo ko lang. Dapat sana sasama ko kay mama sa SM. Hindi ko kaya yung tao doon. Especially, it's a Friday. Kahit weekday ngayon, guys, ang dami na ng tao sa SM. So, nagpabili lang ako ng pad thai. My second pad thai of the week. Mahilig talaga ako pumunta ng mall. Nalibot ko yung MOA twice in a day. Not as much now I do not know if it's because my frontal lobe has developed or sadyang madami lang talaga yung tao. I love that there is a generous amount of these bean sprouts. As far as I can remember, this is the only pad thai that I have tasted. Magpapabili rin sana ako ng banana peanut butter protein shake. Pero nakatatlong kape na ako kahapon. Bumisita lang talaga ako sa kwarto ng nanay ko para kumuha ng chips. By the time she sees this vlog, she'll know about it. Kayo na bahala magbasa kung anong pangalan ng chips na to. It's so beautiful today. Sa mga past edits ko kasi, naka-blur. Ngayon, mag-face reveal siya. Ang original plan ko lang these past few days is maging linta, maging leech, maging parasite sa kay mama. Which means kung kailan lang siya lalabas, that's the only time I will also go out. Hindi talaga ako productive. I feel like I'm in a rut. Siguro worth it naman yung 200 plus ko para lang makalabas sa bahay and maging productive. Ang daming tao doon. Goal natin ngayon is to answer 500 questions. So we will start off. Ang tagal ng order. I don't think it was a good study day, so I'm going to console myself with some ice cream. Kind of regretting not getting gelato sa Atria na lang. Kasi tinatamad na akong bumalik. Wait, bigyan muna natin ng flash yung sarili ko. Parang paranormal experience naman yung atake natin. Alam ko, my main reason why I started vlogging was to document my life. However, hindi natin mapipigilan na may mga judgments and criticisms. So as early as now, it's not like I'm trying to sharpen my spear, but it's more like I'm trying to build my own shield to protect myself. And can I just say that comparison and perfectionism are the thieves of joy. Can someone co-author me into that quote? Kahit isang word lang naman yung dinagdag ko, no? Pero yeah, it's true that perfectionism is a double-edged sword. It's positive since nami-meet mo yung standards mo for yourself and maybe for other people too. But it gets hard when you have to overthink every single thing. Kahit sa pag-edit lang, hindi ko dapat perfect lahat. Perfect yung angles, perfect yung pagcut, yung timing and everything. But na-realize ko na my life isn't even perfect, and I'm not even perfect. So why do I have to set myself up for this trap, for this kind of trap? Like these unrealistic expectations. And just so you know, my favorite film is Whiplash. So parang autopilot palagi yung utak ko na. That's not quite my tempo ni Fletcher.
Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. And that you cannot read tempo? Can you even fucking read music?
And naiingit din ako sa mga tao na they have that wala akong pake as long as I don't hurt anyone mindset. But at the same time, I'm grateful that these people also turn out to be my friends. So in a way, they kind of inspire me to be, they inspire me and influence me to do the same. And I'm learning, no? I'm learning to filter out the thoughts and words of people who don't even serve me in the first place. Currently, 8:44 and I am halfway home. I don't want to be 40, 50, or 60 and be like, hindi ko ma-express in words, but like yung reaction na, ganon, no? I just want to see my raw and authentic emotions at that specific moment. And I notice ko rin na yung mga tao, they don't care that you are recording. They might look back at you once, twice, or probably thrice, but that's it. They won't think about you when you get home. They won't remember you. They won't sit at night and parang magigising sila bigla from their sleep na, ay, hala, sino yung girl na yun na nag-vlog? Diba? Ang OA naman ang OA. It won't go as far as that. And siguro when my left brain is doing most of the work, I find a creative outlet. Yung talaga ako, I'm like a creative person. Well, definitely there are a lot of platforms you can choose from. You could write, you could do a podcast, which I also do hope to make someday, you know, just 1 hour of pure yapping. And alam nyo ba na sobrang mahihain talaga ako. So, like, hindi ko na-envision yung future self ko na magkaganito-ganito. But maybe it's like, I want to challenge myself and grow out of my comfort zone. I feel like I built myself in my own small bubble na hindi na ako nag-grow. So yun, we grow.
Hi!
Hala, they're ganging up on me. And at the same time, it's not also an on-the-whim decision. Sometimes it's all I think about at night, no? Kaya siguro na-push ako because, again, there's like this itch in my brain that I wanted to scratch. Like when I commit to something, I'm very passionate about it. I work really hard. I want to give it my 100% and even more. And naiinis ako sa sarili ko ulit kasi doon na umaandar yung pagiging perfectionist ko. Fit check lang, no? I wear like the same outfit every day. They're just like in different colors. chop right now. Buti na lang nabukas pa sila because right now I'm so famished and I needed that smoothie. They have matcha halo-halo. Ewan ko kung asa na naman yun. Feel ko may pinagbibili na naman na ayaw niyang makita. Humingi na siya ng spoon kasi hindi siya marunong mag-chopsticks. I'm gonna have her mashed potato. Kung ipilit, kahit buy one take one, kahit naka-sale,
Grabe man, no? Bago pa lang yung sapatos mo. Pero ikuig ko na eh.
Uy, hindi. Try natin to. Because it's pink.
Tulog yung skin. Glass skin eh.
Ato ko natin.
Naduma. Na natural look.
Sabi niya akin na lang yung old sunscreen niya. Kasi siya na lang yung bibili ng bago.
Order muna tayo.
So, I'm just gonna commute home. Okay, may bus daw this one. Sakay ulit ng isa pang bus. Hi, Miss Tyler! Ha? Currently here at Italianis. It's our second time together here. One rock salt na cheese coffee and one ube rock salt.
Day to Sunday, 20 lang.
Fry noodles, isa or dua? Dua.
The food's here. Wow! But what I was saying is, before, siya yung pumilit sa akin na maging artista, but ako yung umaayaw. Ngayon, it's the opposite naman. Pero not necessarily na maging artista, ganun. It's more like, I'm more open to being exposed to the world. Unlike before, na parang, I wanna be a private person. Pero, nafe-feel ko na hindi tayo mapapakain ng pagiging private person ko. Kailangan kong mag-side hustle. Considering I'm in a field na mababa yung sweldo. Noong high school pa ako, we used to go to their old branch doon sa Plazuela. Let's try their tofu. This is the first time I'm trying this. Hint of spiciness. Since power conservation mode muna ako earlier, papagod din ako sa sarili ko, no, sa mga kinikwento ko. Mag what's in my bag na lang tayo. Ano yung binaon ko for this one night stay? Let us start off with my pouches. These Sunny's pouches have been with me for like 3 or 4 years already. Bakit parang tongue twister? As in, ang dumi na niya. Dito nakalagay yung gadgets ko, so which includes the case for my camera and yung wide lens. I was so lazy not to bring a wallet, so nandito na lahat yung pera ko and yung ID. My eyeglasses, because I'm practically blind. Inside this second pouch, have my lip gloss, my mirror, a comb, yung contact lens solution, and my skincare such as my toner and my sunscreen. Then yung mga makeup ko, like this Issey Skin Tint, BLK na setting spray, my foundation puff, 2 brushes. The bristles itself are not bad, but as you can see, like yung handle nila, yung pagka-pink, it kind of tarnished. This blush is just so good. Medyo low-key lang siya na blush. So, if you want more pigment, I just add the Patrick Ta na... Anong shade ba yon? Nakalimutan ko. Basta parang same shade rin sila. Sunny's na concealer. Guys, oh my gosh. First year or second year high school ko pa yata to. I tried multiple na mga contour sticks or like contour na powders. They just don't work the same way as this shade does. This is my second bottle already of the Get Ready With Me na medium peach. Kaya hindi ko talaga in-aspire na maging beauty creator. Right now, I could see myself struggling. Then this eyebrow, what the heck? See? Then this eyebrow gel. This works the same way as the Absidy one. So yun nga, di ba? Grabe yung burnout ko. I just see something related to what I am studying. Parang iiyak na talaga ako. I'm really thankful first to God for His abundance and continuous blessings. And second, to my parents, no. Privileged enough ako, kahit ganito lang naman, but it's still a big thing to me. I'm just so grateful. Parang grateful nga is like an understatement. Then, my JBL speaker. This was a Christmas gift, and I didn't know that this would change my life. Ang funny lang na ipapakita ko pa kung ano yung mga dinala kong damit. Kahit nakikita nyo naman sila na same lang. So, this one. I actually have this top in 3 different colors, including this one. So it's black, yellow, and white. And I was supposed to order the same colors again. So I have like a second set. Pero sold out na sila. Sold out na sila. I'm really happy that I get to do this. It's kind of a vulnerable move coming from someone like me na very low-key. As in, hindi ma-post, sobrang liit ng social media presence. Alam nyo, ako lang siguro nagli-label na vulnerable yung moments na to, kahit hindi naman. I need to learn how to try and be okay with failing with an audience. Ano ba yung point ko? I'm the type of person to do things secretly or behind the scenes. If I fail, no one will know. Parang nonchalant lang ako. I never wanted that in the first place. There's nothing wrong with trying. There's nothing wrong with being cringe. Sometimes, you just need to have the audacity. Sabi ko guys, magpapahinga ako. But people watching here is so cool. Like, look. Wait lang. I love it. I love it so much. No. I'm trying to find the perfect vibe. Ang daming nag-gym doon. Tapos, nakachinelas lang ako. I didn't expect there would be that much people there. So, I'm getting anxiety. Oh my gosh. I got my iPad na. So, let's do some work and I'll show you my setup later once na-transfer ko na yung files.
Speaker. Lobby! Wala. Oh, iwan mo na tayo. Kasi Julie ko, she's like, I don't care. Oh?
Oh my gosh!
What's up, Rico? Coconut water.
Hala? Hindi na,
Go.
Yeah.
Wake up.